I love you, and this is for you. So pretty.
Lindsay, standing here with you, I know I'm truly the luckiest man in the world.
Ryan, since the first day I met you, my life has been a complete roller coaster.
Somehow God blessed me with you, the girl with the biggest heart.
You are my greatest love, and I am so glad we took the chance on each other back in college.
Lindsay, you have made me a better man. I promise to love you for who you are today.
I love you to the end of time. Now let's get married.
I love you too.
I give you this ring as a token of my love. Ryan, you may now kiss your bride.